Are you ready to discover the latest camping essentials on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best camping essentials of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Sleeping Bags designed for adults. Sleeping bags designed for adults cater to a variety of outdoor activities such as backpacking, camping, hiking, and hunting. These sleeping bags are engineered to be lightweight, waterproof, and suitable for cold weather, ensuring comfort and warmth during outdoor adventures. They come in versatile designs that make them suitable for both men and women, as well as older children, making them an ideal choice for family outings or group activities. Key features of these sleeping bags include their ability to maintain warmth even in low temperatures, thanks to high-quality insulation materials. The waterproof exterior ensures that users stay dry in damp conditions, which is crucial for maintaining warmth and comfort in cold environments. Additionally, these sleeping bags are often designed with a compact and lightweight profile, making them easy to pack and carry, a critical aspect for backpacking and hiking. Product 2. Product name: Outland Living Firebowl 893 Deluxe. The Outland Living Firebowl 893 Deluxe is a high-quality, portable propane gas fire pit designed for outdoor use, ideal for camping, backyard gatherings, and other outdoor activities. It features a 19-inch diameter and delivers a powerful 58,000 BTU, providing a substantial and consistent flame that simulates the ambience of a traditional campfire without the mess of wood and ash. Constructed with durability in mind, the fire pit is made from high-quality steel with an enamel finish, ensuring it can withstand outdoor elements. The sleek black design complements various outdoor settings, adding both functionality and style to your outdoor space. The Firebowl 893 Deluxe includes a cover and carry kit, making it easy to transport and protect when not in use. It operates on a standard 20 pounds propane tank, not included, offering a clean and smoke-free alternative to traditional fire pits. Its automatic ignition system allows for quick and easy lighting, and the adjustable regulator lets you control the flame height to suit your needs. Product 3. Product name: Camping Hammock with Rain Fly Tarp. The camping hammock with rain fly tarp and mosquito net is a versatile and essential outdoor gear designed for hikers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value both comfort and protection during their adventures. This portable hammock serves as a compact and lightweight shelter that combines the features of a hammock, tent, and rain cover, making it an ideal choice for a variety of outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and yard relaxation. Key features: Rain Fly Tarp. The included rain fly tarp offers reliable protection against rain and harsh weather conditions, ensuring that you stay dry and comfortable even during unexpected downpours. It provides full coverage over the hammock, keeping you shielded from the elements. Mosquito net. The integrated mosquito net adds an extra layer of protection, keeping insects and bugs at bay. This feature is especially important for camping in areas with high insect activity, providing a peaceful and undisturbed sleep. Portable and lightweight. Designed for easy transport, this hammock is highly portable, making it suitable for backpacking trips where weight and space are critical. It can be easily packed into a compact size and carried in a backpack. Product 4. Product name: Amazon Basics 12-piece knife set. The Amazon Basics color-coded kitchen 12-piece knife set is a versatile and essential tool for any kitchen, complementing a range of kitchen and cooking accessories like the meat thermometer digital and small pocket knife mentioned earlier. This knife set includes 6 knives, each with a matching blade guard, ensuring safety and organization in your kitchen. The knives are color-coded, which helps to prevent cross-contamination during food preparation, a crucial feature for those who prioritize hygiene in cooking. Each knife is designed with precision and functionality in mind, making it suitable for various tasks such as slicing, dicing, and chopping. The set's multicolor design not only adds a touch of vibrancy to the kitchen but also helps in quickly identifying the right knife for the job. The dimensions of 13.88 by 4.13 by 1.38 inches make it a compact and convenient addition to any kitchen space. Product 5. Product name: Odoland 15 PCs Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The Odoland 15 PCs Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a comprehensive and portable cooking set designed for outdoor enthusiasts, whether you're camping, backpacking, or enjoying a picnic. This non-stick, lightweight kit includes essential cookware items like a pot, pan, and kettle, all crafted to ensure durability and ease of use in outdoor settings. The set also features stainless steel cups, plates, forks, knives, and spoons, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for outdoor cooking and dining. This kit complements a variety of outdoor gear, similar to the user's interest in items such as the Grail GeoPress water purifier bottle and the Sportneer compass for hiking and exploration. The compact nature and multifunctionality of the Odoland kit align well with the user's focus on practical and space-saving outdoor equipment, making it an ideal addition for those looking to enhance their outdoor cooking experience while maintaining a lightweight and efficient pack. Product 6. Product name: Energizer LED Rechargeable Plug-in Flashlights. The Energizer LED rechargeable plug-in flashlights are an essential addition to any emergency preparedness kit, particularly useful for hurricane supplies and survival kits. Designed with practicality in mind, these flashlights offer a convenient plug-in design, ensuring they are always charged and ready for use when needed. The weather-ready emergency flashlight provides reliable illumination during power outages, making it a crucial tool for navigating in the dark. Each flashlight in the 6-count pack features a bright white LED light that ensures visibility during emergencies. The rechargeable nature of these flashlights eliminates the need for disposable batteries, adding to their convenience and eco-friendliness. Simply plug the flashlight into any standard wall outlet, and it will automatically recharge, ensuring you have a dependable light source at all times. Product 7. Product name: Stanley Adventure All-in-One. The Stanley Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press is a versatile and durable solution for outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and quality in their gear. Designed for those who enjoy camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure, this 32-ounce French press offers a compact and efficient way to boil water and brew coffee all in one device. This all-in-one system is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while maintaining excellent heat retention. The boil and brew feature allows you to heat water directly in the press, making it easy to prepare fresh coffee or tea without needing multiple tools. Its 32-ounce capacity is perfect for brewing enough coffee to share or for keeping yourself well caffeinated during extended outdoor activities. The Stanley Adventure French Press is designed with practicality in mind. The integrated BPA-free press ensures that your coffee is free of grounds.